I find it hard to describe my anxiety. Feel like my heart and my mind got a rivalry. Feel like my thoughts and emotions are fighting inside of me. I gotta get the shit out of me. I feel like Forrest, I'm running from everything. I never saw this shit in its entirety.
So, trying to figure out what this like scraping sound is. It's coming from my front right wheel. I don't know if it's like maybe one of like the shims got like bent when I put my new pads and rotors on, but I'm gonna try and take it off and see if I can find it. I had to use one of these jacks because I don't have a low profile jack. Guess I'll show you. So noises feel like it's coming from like around like this area, so I'm pretty sure it's like the shim. I'm just not sure, but I'm gonna see if I can find it. Wow, what I actually did. Alright. Gotta get my tools. Ugh. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see it. I kinda can. Like, like right there. So it is that piece that's sticking out, like right there in the middle. Pretty sure that's what it is. Figured it was a shim, but I just wasn't sure. Let me get it centered back. Okay. This is where I'm at. No, focus. No. Come on, you see me. Focus. Alright. I'm just gonna have to wait until I get it off. Focus. 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 Good Lord. You see me. So I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see. So that piece right there is what was making that grinding noise. Sure, I can just bend that back into place and it should be good. Wow. Well, I'm running out of space. So I'm gonna figure this out, then I'll come back when I did. Oh, Bubba. Mm-hmm. Where's Trey when you need him? Come on, Bubba. And Trey has my jack stands. Uh-huh. So, put everything back together. I don't know if I fix it. So, if anything, I'll probably just have Trey help me. See if he can figure it out. But who knows when that's going to be. Because we can't really do anything together anymore. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Trey's going to edit all this, so it'll look a little bit nicer. All right.